Alright, let's go ahead and get started. I'm in my dashboard right now. You can see how easy it is to input income. And so other income right here, this is where I input my share a sale or Amazon affiliate income. You just put, and if it's not in here, you just type in like Etsy and then create Etsy. You can just create a new category right from your home screen here. Okay, and you can call this whatever you want and edit your dashboard. But what's really cool about this is they have a 3-month special right now where you're getting this really inexpensively, but you kind of need this running your own business. If you're self-employed, an LLC, or anything that you're doing, you're going to want to have some way to track your income and your expenses, and this is a perfect way to do that. So here you can connect to your bank or just track your spending here and input new expenses. You can also input new expenses on the mobile app and connect your bank from the mobile app, so that makes it a little easier. If you'd like, you could also send invoices and accept credit cards online and in person. So that's an awesome feature. That's a really cool feature. You can also send out estimates and invoices and proposals for your clients. So if you're doing anything like social media marketing, anything like that, even a contractor, someone that's going to provide some services or anything like that, you can send out proposals or estimates and send out invoices from those proposals and estimates and turn those into payments, which will be tracked as they are paid and received by you. They'll be tracked as income, and it just makes it so much easier to set up a profit and loss at the end of the year and use that for your tax purposes. So you can set up your fiscal year here and then set up your favorite reports here at the top. But if you've got an expense report, profit and loss, you're going to want a balance sheet or even sales tax summary. Maybe you want to see what type of cash flow you've got, and payroll journal. You can also get details on payroll information, each pay period, and employee, so you can keep notes, keep track of that. But this does have a crown on it, so this may be something I would have to upgrade for. Yeah, so this is team utilization, a premium plan. My current plan, let me go to my current plan to show you guys what I'm using. So I have the plus plan, and that for me works great. Right now you can see that it is 70% off for the first 4 months, and so that's $9.90, and you guys can get that same deal down in the description of this video, and I really hope that helps you out. And you're going to want to keep this all year and use this to actually manage your income and your expenses. And you can see even the $33 a month, that to me, if you're making anything, $100 or more, $33 a month, I don't know, $100, maybe a little too expensive if you're only making $100 a month. But let's say $200-300 a month. You're definitely going to want to start managing your finances and having some professional grade reports that you can give your tax person. But also the other thing that you can do, if you go into accounting, here is where you can go and invite your accountant for free. So all you do is click on that, and you can set up their first and last name and their email address and continue on through that process and invite your accountant to take care of your finances right here in Freshbooks. You can start to see your revenue streams by month and just see your growth and progress. It's cool to have a dashboard to see that kind of stuff, see what your revenue and expenses are. And so it's cool. I like coming here and being able to check in on this stuff and have a place to manage everything. And I can also view these same numbers and statistics from the mobile app, so that's awesome. But let me show you how to get set up. This is for first-time customers. This is a welcome bonus for you that you're going to see the 70% off now. And you can speak to a specialist if you'd like. I put no thank you on that, because I knew that this is what I wanted. But here's what you're going to get. So unlimited invoices up to 50 clients, You can recurring invoices, client retainers, get paid with credit cards, bank transfers, capture receipt data, invite your accountant, run financial and accounting reports. And then they've got a couple add-ons here. I don't see a need for those yet, but you might. But I got that because I wanted to be able to run the reports. You can here also for tax time. So if you'd like to just do this and you don't really need an accountant or get the receipt data or anything like that, there's also, the recurring invoices for client retainers and unlimited estimates and proposals that you can send out. So eventually doing some freelance work, if you're doing any freelance work, this would be the plan to go with. But if you're not, then maybe this will work for you. But what I would recommend is just follow that link in the description. Go through these different plans and see which one's going to fit for you. And you could even go through here and they'll suggest ones that you should do or use. And if you're a freelancer, they're saying maybe one of these two, business with contractors. So just go through these and see which one is best for you. But for the purpose of this video, I'm going to say, I'm going to click here, buy now and save. And you can enter your email address and all that kind of stuff. It's pretty straightforward. You just enter your email address. They'll send you a link to confirm your email, and then you just walk through the steps and input your information, like your business name and all that. Now, if you're just a sole proprietor or self-employed, you just, for your business name, just put your first and last name. That's all I did. And then pretty much it lets you set up the account pretty quickly. But once you get into your account, this is where you can make a lot of the major settings and changes. All right, so this is it. This is where you go. Bank connections. You can go in here and add your bank accounts and just do a login. It looks like it's probably Plaid. Yeah, no paid plan, bank import. So it's probably Plaid. Looks like usually that's what it is, but I'll just click on it to see. But it's very secure. Oops, here we go. Plaid is the most common way that people connect their bank accounts, but they may have their own. But it does have the trust logo down here, so that's good to know. And Freshbooks is a very reputable company, and I would trust anything that they have decided to go with to connect your financial institutions. I'm going to go ahead and wait to do that just for the purpose of this video, but once I get that stuff all set up, I will be making more review videos for Freshbooks and kind of get more into details on how to use it. So this is LLC Launchpad. I thank you guys for watching, and I hope that if you guys have any questions, just drop them down below and I will try to answer them in future videos. But this overall, man, this software is great. I love it. I love the mobile app. And right now it's fairly inexpensive. Even if I was paying the $33, it would be worth it. I'm going to keep it for sure. If you guys are worried about it, go into your account after you get signed up and you can refer people, friends. If you want to refer friends, you get a $25 credit to your account when they become a paying subscriber. And all you got to do is copy this link and send, text it, email it, or something like that to your friends. If you know other business owners, self-employed people, freelancers that need to keep track of expenses and things like that. So that would be a good way to kind of help you, eliminate some of the cost and keep it inexpensive. But even like I said, $33. The other plan below that was $19. That's nothing, because when tax time comes, you want to have all this information. At first, I was keeping track of it on my notes app on my phone, and it's just not easy. It's not very easy. So having something like this to back up all of your data across all of your devices, no matter where you log in, is actually also a benefit to having a service like this. So anyways, I hope this helps you guys out. I hope it helps you make a decision. And if you were wondering if Freshbooks was, a scam or anything like that, it is definitely not. They're a legitimate business, and I 100% recommend them. And I can't wait to dive into this more and make this work the best for me and really optimize it for my needs. So thanks for watching, guys.